Well, kickbacks, favours and free vacations. The e-health scandal undermined efforts to shift BC's health records from paper to online files. And it prompted criminal charges against senior bureaucrats in the Ministry of Health. And it caused no end of political problems for the Liberal government that tried to make the change. Tonight, one of those men, Dr. Jonathan Burns, has pleaded guilty. A News legislature reporter Shachi Kurl has details new at 6.
Dr. Jonathan Burns was a rising star in BC's medical circles, an ER physician in the Fraser Valley with an invention that would revolutionize how health records are shared in BC. How did it all go so wrong? In a Victoria courtroom this afternoon, Burns pleaded guilty to paying a reward and providing an advantage to government officials without the government's permission. Those officials, Ron Danderfer and Jim Taylor. Danderfer was BC's deputy health minister at the time. Burns admitted today he put him up at his expensive Kelowna rental condo free of charge, hired his wife, Joan Danderfer, to keep the books on his private company, and offered Ron a post-retirement income. Danderfer returned the favor, repeatedly bumping Burns's pay in his job as medical advisor for BC's e-health initiative and extending his contract by years, as well as allowing him to double bill for his work. All three men went to court last summer insisting they'd done nothing wrong, but Burns had a change of heart.
I think he felt it was the appropriate thing to do in all the circumstances.
For his role in the greedy scheme, Burns was handed a 3-year suspended sentence. He'll have to do 100 hours of community service and attend counseling. The defense says at the height of his crimes, Burns was suffering from an undiagnosed bipolar disorder.
He's a decent, hard-working man who found himself in a situation of crisis.
Ultimately, the crimes may prove more of a sideshow to what was then a huge political problem for the Liberals around the rollout of e-health. What happened was the BC government trying to roll out a new e-health initiative was completely derailed by accusations and ultimately guilty pleas related to corruption. The government was forced to order a sweeping audit of how contracts are awarded. Danderfer and Taylor are expected to stand trial in October. In Victoria, Shachi Kurl, A News.